In order to transfer your PVsyst license, open PVsyst on the original computer. Open the License Details dialog and click on the Transfer button. A new dialog pops up where you need to enter your customer ID. Your customer ID has been attributed after your first purchase and you can find it in your order receipt email. Check the box to accept the transfer conditions and click on the OK button. PVsyst should have now switched back to either demo mode or trial mode. PVsyst always displays its current activation status in the main screen title bar. You can now exit PVsyst and switch to the second computer. Run PVsyst on the second computer. Click on the Activate button and enter your activation key. Click on the Activate button. If this message is shown, PVsyst is now correctly activated. If not, please refer to the corresponding PVsyst help section to get more details about the error. Your license information is displayed here. PVsyst now runs in full licensed mode on the second computer. Starting with PVsyst version 7, it is now possible to transfer the license back to the original computer, but keep in mind that this can only be done a limited number of times within a limited time frame.